Shopping is super fun, but it can be tedious if you have a million options to choose from. And that's where I come in. Hi, I'm Sumita Majumdar, and today I'll be talking about HIFFIN Helmet Chin Strap Mount. This product can be mounted on both phones and GoPro action cameras. So now you can capture the action as it happens. This product has the perfect grip, so you don't have to worry about the product falling off. It has a non-slip base, so that means it's gonna stay very stable. It has been made with high quality silicone. With this product, you can just ride and record. This product has a wide compatibility and it's very easy to install. Anybody can do it. So now you don't have to rely on somebody else. You can be your own photographer and videographer. That's all for this product. I'll be back soon. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.